She loves doing this.
Guys, this thing is loaded with boxes.
There's a lot of boxes. I don't even think you have room to move in there. Wow.
Oh,
Ooh, what is it? Come here.
wrapping paper.
Okay, not bad.
We can use this for Christmas, right?
Wrapping paper, guys.
Got Santa.
Throw that in the back.
Nice.
Damn.
Broken dog bowl.
Damn. Broken dog bowl. Hell no. But damn, why is there so many boxes?
Crazy.
You don't even got no room to move in here. You sure you want to look at this one?
Yeah. I just found some wrapping paper.
She just found some wrapping paper, as you guys can see. I don't think there's anything in there.
Look at this. Look.
What? What the hell? It's a wallet. Oh my god.
I'm just crying. Oh my god. Guys.
What the
Alright,
hell?
we gotta take this in the car.
Oh my god. She just found a wallet with money. Let's go see it in the car.
You think we should still look?
Yeah.
Guys, seriously?
Damn, this thing's loaded
This
though.
was someone's wallet. Look, it has a 5 below the car.
Oh my god. Come on, let's check it out in the car.
Alright.
There's nothing but boxes in there.
Hold this real quick.
Oh my god. We actually found something.
Alright guys, we're back in the car. We found wallpaper. Oh my god. I keep saying that. Wrapping paper. And we found this wallet. And look at what we showed you guys. There was some money. But also, there's a comb. So clearly this was someone's wallet. But we don't see anything that shows anybody's name. Like, there's some Pride Rewards cards. But that's it. Some coupons. There's some gift cards. So we're definitely going to be calling these gift cards when we get home. So guys, stay tuned for that. Look, there's a Panera one. There's TJ Maxx. There's 3 Barnes & Noble. Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's see what else. MJ.
Hey.
The money, let's see how much money there is. 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $29.
$29.
Like I said,
crazy.
there's some receipts in here. Let's check this one. I saw this. This is a gift certificate. $50 to a restaurant. I don't know if they'll take it. We'll
This
have
was
to
a good
call.
find on the very first dumpster we hit up of the day.
I'm going to call and see if they'll take this. Because I was just saying to Babe, because we're going to be starting the keto again next month, that I want to eat something before we start keto.
Yeah.
So if this is good, we will probably be going there tomorrow night for dinner.
Oh yeah. Guys, we're gonna go home, call some of these gift card places, see how much we ended up collecting from this dumpster dive.
But I am going to 2 more dumpsters first.
2 more dumpsters. We'll see you guys there. She's calling one of the gift cards from a restaurant.
Yeah. Hi, I have a question. I received a gift card for my birthday from you guys, but it just says $50 on it. It doesn't have a date or anything. Is that still acceptable?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
$50 found in the trash. $50 to a restaurant in our area, guys, found in the dumpster. You could find things in the dumpster. We just found like $30 cash, a bunch of gift cards with $25, $30 on it, $7 on it. Yo, this is real, guys. This is real, man. I never thought it was real, but I guess you could find things in the dumpster, sell things, and you could really just make money.
Guys,
Dumpster diving, guys.
Dying to do this, and it's paying off.
This is crazy. It's our second episode, and so far on our first try in the dumpster, she found cash and a bunch of gift cards.
Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me. I thought you were somebody else.
What's up, guys? Look what we just picked up on the side of the road for Maya. Hopefully it works. This thing is cool. The tires are good.
It has a sticker that says $50. I don't know if you can see it.
We just got to put some air at the gas station.
It looks electric.
This looks nice. Wow, she's going to love this. It has a tag for $50.
Yeah, show them.
They had it at a tax sale for $50.
So we don't know if
We
it
just
works
picked
or
it
not,
up, though.
but we're going to see.
Not a bad pickup, right?
Yeah.
And if Maya doesn't want it, we can sell it at a tax sale and make a $50 flip.
Yeah.
Let's keep it moving. Let's go. All right, add another dumpster. There it is there. We're going to hit up a couple more, and then we're going to go home, call some of these gift cards.
Feed the baby.
Feed the baby. And let you guys know what we scored today, because today was a very good trash dumpster diving haul. Let's go.
All right, let's see. Are we recording? Yeah. All right, let's see what's in here. Let's see if there's any bees, because I don't want to see any bees. Oh my God. Look at all the milk. Babe, they got crates. They got 2 crates. Okay. You said no thank you. Wow. Babe, you won't even, like, there's so much milk. Like, it's crazy. Oh my God, look at all these flies. See, this is because this one is a food dumpster. This looks like just trash. All right, let me see. Here, I can't hold it. There's tons of milk.
Expired milk. It's hot anyways. Ain't nobody want that.
I wouldn't drink it, but like, see, stuff like this. $9.28. That's today, right?
Yeah.
That's why they threw it out.
Yeah.
It's not expired, but they should be giving.
It expires
this.
today.
It's not expired though. We have milk in there that has expiration dates that we drink past it all the time.
Yeah, that means we're drinking expired milk.
If it was expired, you would know it would taste bad.
Yeah.
Or smell bad. But things like this, they should be giving to food pantries. Like, they shouldn't be throwing it.
I know, they throw away a lot of crap.
Kale.
Wow. We should just collect it and take it to the poor.
Look,
What's that?
a whole chicken.
Is it any good? What's the date on that bad
The
boy?
27th. So I wouldn't eat this because it's been out here.
Yeah.
But if I got it yesterday and it just went out there yesterday, it's fine. You freeze it. It's not going to go bad. That's just the sell-by date. But I don't know. We have to look for a pantry, and maybe we'll start bringing some of the food to the food pantries, because it's just ridiculous how much food these people waste. And that's why people that dumpster dive for food and stuff, bless you.
Thank you.
Good for them, because really, like, you see how much food is in there. It's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Like, there had to be at least 20 gallons of milk in there. 20 gallons. You know how much milk costs? A lot of money.
Yeah, milk is not cheap.
We're gonna go to the dumpster right next to it just to see. This one is usually empty. Now, this is a Dollar Tree, and I love Dollar Tree. I love shopping there, but it seems to be they don't want to ever put anything in the dumpster. So
Right.
let's see.
All right. You close the door?
Let me show it. See, guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Completely empty. You can hear my echo. So yeah, I mean, as you guys see, we didn't show all of them because as this one, not everything has something in it, but there was some dumpsters that were really packed. Some we can't even get into. but we don't have much time because the baby has to eat at 3. So we just do what we can. I'm happy with what we got today.
We scored big on the first one.
I can't wait to check these gift cards out. You guys are gonna see that in the video. I'm happy with the go-kart we got. I can't wait to see if that works so I can get on it and whip around. We'll show you that too if it works. But
yeah,
seriously,
we did score very big today, guys. We scored very big. We're gonna go home, take everything out the truck, see how much we totaled for the day, how much money on gift cards and gift certificates and cash.
We got $29 cash and a $50 restaurant gift card that we see offhand. So
I'm super excited.
already in itself, that's $80 almost. That's crazy.
Today's haul, we scored big, guys. This is the second episode of Dumpster Diving, and so far it's been a blast.
Success.
So we're gonna go home, so stick around.
All right, everyone, we're back home. We fed the baby, we ate something. Now we're gonna sit here and check all these gift cards. You can come sit next to me, babe. So what was in here was, I think it was these. This is trash. These are just gas cards, like to save money. I think that was it. Yeah, the rest is just trash. Oh, the money. I forgot about that.
Yeah, we came up on some money.
So there's $29 in here. See? 10, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna put that right into the jar.
Motivation jar, baby. Right in there. Drop that in there.
As you guys saw in the previous clip, I did call this one and they did tell us that we can use it. So maybe we'll go eat there tomorrow or something. Sometime before we start our keto diet again. I got some gift cards to check and I want you guys to come along with me. I'm gonna separate these. There's 3 Barnes & Noble, 1 Bed Bath & Beyond, 1 Panera, and 1 TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods card.
Oh yeah.
So we'll start with the Barnes & Noble. Let's see what's here. Alright guys, so this is the first card, and as you can see, we got $27.15, guys.
Wow.
$27.15 on 1 card so far. So I'm gonna write that down on this card. I mean, Barnes & Noble has different stuff.
27, 15 so far found in the dumpster.
Right, so this is the second card, and it has $6.36.
$6.36 for the second. Show them the card. What card is this one?
That's still good. $6.36.
Another Barnes & Nobles with $6.36. And we still got a bunch more of these gift cards to check.
Okay, guys, it's loading. And this one has $25. Look. $25 for this card. So
for another one.
Just right now, we're at 27 plus 25 plus what? 636. We're almost over 50.
Yeah,
So
we're
it's
right
like
around 50. Yep.
So this is 25.
That is
Guys,
awesome.
This is unbelievable. I can't even believe that somebody threw the wallet in there. And it had all, I thought somebody would take all the money and the gift cards and stuff, but guess not.
So she's doing the TJ Maxx, the Marshalls card. Entering all the numbers so we can get the balance on this one.
Alright guys, this one has $7.01 from this card.
$7.01 for the TJ Maxx,
I mean, it's
Marshalls.
not much, but hey, if you buy something there, then you got $7 off.
Hey, it's free for us.
Yeah.
So now the last 2 are going to be over the phone so you guys can hear the balance for yourselves. So don't go anywhere, guys.
Please enter your PIN. Please wait while we process your request. The balance remaining on your card is $25. Again, the remaining balance.
$25. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never even eaten at Panera in my entire life. Have you, babe?
Nope, I've never eaten Panera. It's super expensive, and I don't even think it's that good. But $25 to Panera.
We can get some smoothies.
What's the last one we're doing here?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond. See how much is on this bad boy, and we'll call it a day.
Your balance is $30. To hear your balance again, press the star key.
I tried to have it repeated again, but dude, $30 to Bed Bath & Beyond? I think we're gonna go shopping tomorrow and go to dinner.
That's crazy. We had a crazy haul.
Guys, just take a look at this. We got $30 to one store. We got $50 to a, I don't know how you say it, Thai?
Yeah, Thai cuisine.
$25 to Panera. $7.01 to TJ Maxx or other participating stores. $27.15 to Barnes & Noble. $25 to Barnes & Noble. And $6.36 to Barnes & Noble. All of this added up is what? This is
Over $100.
50, 80, 100, 50. So today we got about $180, almost $200 just from dumpster diving. And you see now, babe, why I wanted to do dumpster diving, because it is not a lie. People throw away things all the time. Even if this wasn't a lost and found, it got thrown away. So we found it, and we found all of this money. I mean, there's coupon stuff, but we don't want that. It's just crazy to me. It's crazy what the world really throws away. Like, one person's trash is another person's treasure, and that is for sure. If you guys enjoyed this dumpster diving video, we will be doing more. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys thought about this. We will give you an update on if the go-kart thing works. We don't think it does, but it was pretty cool anyways. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy.
Peace.